How about the 1971 Dodge Challenger RT hardtop? Top banana over black. I love those names.
That must be yellow.
That must be yellow. True RT car, 440 cubic inch, six-pack V8, A727 automatic.
Yep.
Very nicely restored. It's got some SE, which was another body style dress to it. But what a cool car.
Yeah. I think this one was born with a 383, but it's got a 440 in it now, and it's a beautiful, beautiful car.
And, if the original motor's gone and not to be found, then no harm, no foul.
Right.
Now, if you took it out and chunked it and you had the original motor, then I would say it's a little bit of a party foul.
Right.
I like to see them, if they're original and can stay original. And the ones that aren't original because the motor's long gone, then I get that. Then you can do whatever you want. You can have free reign. And that's my rule.
Absolutely.
Like I have anything to do with anything, right?